Hello, fellow Altbasers. Ken the Crypto here, CEO and co-founder of Altbase. And as you can see, I have some updates to drop for you for this month. It is going to be a very exciting month. I'm super excited for this month because we're going to be releasing new features and finally pushing the App Store out on the iOS. So, like I said, a quick update. We do have a goal right now, as you saw from our past tweets, that in February 7th, so in about a few days here, right, less than a week from now, the goal is to get 1,000 reviews, at least 1,000 reviews on the Google Play Store. We have tweeted about it. The links are in the description below. Currently, we're at 350 reviews and a lot of honest feedback. Guys, we want some honest feedback, not just because you're an investor, not just because you're an investor of Altbase. Please don't just say good things about the app. I want you to destroy the app in a way that, makes us aware of, okay, that's probably what we need to focus on. Maybe that feature sucked, so maybe we shouldn't put that out. Because if we see a lot of common feedback, common things that we see, then we're most likely going to do those. We're most likely going to fix those. We're going to take every feedback into account. So we do value everyone's feedback. We read all of them. So we're trying to get to 1,000 comments, feedbacks on those by February 7th, because that will give us enough data before we really start pushing it to the iOS. Because essentially, the whole month of February, the first half of February, we're doing beta tests. This is the final test until we push out to the iOS store. It just doesn't make sense for us to do a lot of bug fixes in the iOS, because with iOS, things can be a little bit tricky. They could reject us for having too much bugs, so that's why we're pretty much working on it. But yeah, that's basically it. And then bang, mid-February, end of February, we push it out to the iOS. Hopefully, we'd get accepted as soon as possible. And then along with that iOS push comes out the features that we said, the swap features and some surprise features that you may or may not have heard in my past updates, and as well as the announcements. And you'll see, like I said, it's going to be very exciting for those of you that are part of the Shill team and that want to earn actually a little bit of income and earn some tokens, not just Altbase tokens, but other tokens as well. So it's going to be very exciting, and we're going to be conducting a lot of partnerships once the app gets released, because we'll finally have a product and not just pumping a coin. And guys, for those of you that are so worried about the market cap, what I can tell you right now is that when we started 100x coin, that was a former name. Kind of have to go back to that. Former name 100x coin Altbase. We did have a lot of competitors with us, and nowadays I don't even hear from basically 99% of those. But we're still here. We're still building the app, the use case, and we're here. We're still going for that $1 billion valuation. We're still going for that $1 billion market cap. Just the question is when, right? Just these market conditions it can derail some of the goals, but we're still headed for that goal. So by March, going back to the February, which is the final beta test, and then pushing out to the iOS, by March, we will start to mass market the app. We'll spend a lot more marketing dollars on the app, hoping that it gets accepted by Apple, okay? So it's going to be very exciting, and it's going to be some features released this month. Now, white paper. The version 1 will be released very, very soon this month. I can't tell you an exact date yet, but I will be releasing a video with that, kind of me commentating on the white paper, and I would probably do it live. I'll do it live just so I can get your feedback right then and there, because it is going to be the version 1 of the white paper. We're just making it look pretty right now with our designer. Now, we're going to have a support page by next week. The reason why we've been kind of heavy on the support, on the support page, it's a lot of content, by the way, because we want to make sure that when we start to mass market the app, we're ready to answer any questions of any new users. That way, we don't get bad reviews or bad word of mouth of the app. We want to make sure this app is good. That's why, for some of you, it may seem like we've been taking our sweet-ass time, but pretty fast with this app. Most apps take 6 months to a year to finally come out, but we did it in less than 4 months. So, very, very proud of the team. Very proud of the team, and I appreciate the community for all your support. I really do. So, aside from that, market conditions, everyone's probably, maybe you're frustrated about the market. Maybe you're down 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, and as an investor myself, yes, of Altbase and with many other coins, it sucks. It sucks that the market's down, but I see it as an opportunity. I have been in crypto since 2017. I know the highs and lows. With all this, the ones that profit most are the ones that see this time as an opportunity to invest and find coins. That's the name of the game. That's the name of the market that you are in. It's crypto. And it's funny because most of the people that did make their money this year in 2021 and 2022 are the people that got wrecked in 2017, 2018. And some of you that are investors of Altbase, you probably understand that, for those of you that have been around since 2017, 2018. And for me as well, right? Most of my gains, well, I did make a lot of gains in 2017, 2018, but I didn't retain those gains. I didn't keep those gains because I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. But in 2021, I was able to retain the gains from my other investments because I knew better from the last couple of years. So it's all a matter of, have you paid your dues yet? Have you learned the lessons yet? But this market is super early, guys. There's billion-dollar companies that are entering the market right now. There's lots of coins starting right now. That should tell you something. It is not like before where the market kind of dies off and nobody talks about it. No. Right now, the market is, quote-unquote, dying off as to what a lot of people think. But you see a lot of these companies are entering the sphere. Microsoft acquired Activision to build the metaverse. And that's one of the largest acquisition in a long time. I think it was like $60 billion, something along those lines. But that should tell you something. When these big companies enter the crypto space, and the market right now is, I'd say, a discount, this is the best opportunity that you will get. And as well as even Altbase, the tokens itself. Yes, we're gonna be doing buybacks, just so you know. So that's a quick update from me. I'm gonna be giving another update in the next week or so here, especially when the app is at the final stages of the beta test and we're ready to launch the iOS, and as well as the version 1 of the white paper. As I said before, I really appreciate everyone who is still here and supporting us and sticking around the community. Still going for that multi-billion-dollar valuation. That hasn't changed. As I said, the question is when. And that's what we're working for right now. Right? We're going to be an ecosystem with a lot of utility. We've already been establishing partnerships from behind the scenes that we have not shared yet. And for those of you that are wondering when the AMAs are coming out, I apologize that I wasn't very specific of those dates. The dates are going to be right here and in the Discord and in the description. Feel free. Put that on your calendar if you're interested in those AMAs as well as the live streams. And I will catch you guys later. Ken the Crypto here, CEO, co-founder of Altbase. I'll catch you later.